To fix QuickBooks not linking to Microsoft Excel and allow export to Excel, follow these steps. First, ensure that Microsoft Excel is installed and working properly on your computer. Check that you have the latest version of QuickBooks and Excel installed, as compatibility issues may arise with outdated versions. Next, verify that the QuickBooks Excel add-in is enabled. Open Excel, go to the File menu, and select Options. In the Excel Options window, click on the Add-ins tab and ensure that the QuickBooks Excel add-in is checked. If it is not checked, select it and click OK. If the issue persists, try repairing the QuickBooks Excel add-in. To do this, open the Control Panel, select Programs and Features, and find QuickBooks in the list of installed programs. Click on it and select Change. Then Repair. Follow the prompts to complete the repair process. Additionally, check the QuickBooks preferences to ensure that the Export to Excel option is enabled. Open QuickBooks, go to the Edit menu, and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Send Forms tab and ensure that the Allow this application to access the QuickBooks Desktop option is checked. Another possible solution is to reset the QuickBooks Excel template. To do this, open QuickBooks and go to the Reports menu. Select Send General Ledger to Excel and then click on the Advanced tab. Click on the Reset Template button to reset the template to its default settings. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try reinstalling the QuickBooks Excel add-in. To do this, open the Control Panel, select Programs and Features, and find QuickBooks in the list of installed programs. Click on it and select Change. Then select the option to reinstall the add-in. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of QuickBooks not linking to Microsoft Excel and allow export to Excel. Remember to always save your work and back up your data before making any changes to your QuickBooks settings.